Welcome back to the Project 2 shop. The airplane is kind of taking up more and more of my space as it progresses, and I find myself not wanting to do paint projects as much these days, since I now get to do them off to the side or even outside if the weather's good. Either way, I had an itch to get the latest creation coated, so here we go. Check out the link to my other channel in the description if you want to learn more about that. This toy is a 10.5-inch 7.62x39 pistol. I used billet receivers. It should turn out pretty cool, I think. Like always, I'll show the colors that I start with, but generally, I end up mixing colors together to get what I'm after as I make up the process along the way. I go over this process in nearly every video, but as a brief description of what I do, I bake each layer at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Let it cool down before adding stencils and more Cerakote. Once the final layer is on, I'll remove all the stencils and final bake it at 300 for an hour. That works for me, but keep in mind, there's many variables, so you may need to tweak this a bit to work for you. The stencil pack seen in this video is a multicam set. I'll link it in the description as well for those that are interested. Enjoy the process. Well, there you have it. Nothing hard about this process. It doesn't always turn out cool, but in the end, it's just paint, and the worst that can happen is you get to do it over again. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.